So dear students, now you are going to learn some more integration formulae. From differentiation, we know that the d by dx of sine inverse of x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. D by dx of minus cos inverse of x is equal to, so I written this minus 1 outside, and differentiating cos inverse of x. D by dx of cos inverse of x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So minus of minus, that is plus. So 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So for all x belongs to minus 1, 1, open interval. Now, so integrating this function 1 by root of 1 minus x square, we get sine inverse of x. And also integrating 1 by root of 1 minus x square, we get the minus cos inverse of x. Hence, so what you can write? So integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx
sine inverse of x plus c. This is equal to minus. So cos inverse of x plus c. For x belongs to minus 1 comma 1 open interval. So what is the formula of integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx? So sine inverse of x plus c, or you can write minus cos inverse of x plus c, where x is belongs to, so minus 1 1 open interval. And d by dx of tan inverse of x, that's equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse of x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Similarly, we can write integral of, so 1 by 1 plus x square dx. This is equal to tan inverse of x plus c. This is equal to minus, so cot inverse of x plus c. Here, so x is, so belongs to R. So what is the formula of integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx? Tan inverse of x plus c, or we can write minus, so cot inverse of x plus c. Now integral of dx by, so modulus of x into root of, so x square minus 1, this is equal to secant inverse of x plus constant, or we can write minus, so cosecant inverse of x plus constant, where here, so modulus of x is greater than 1. What is the formula of integral of dx by modulus of x in root of x square minus 1? So secant inverse of x plus c, or you can write minus cosecant inverse of x plus c, where here, so modulus of x greater than 1. Right. So d by dx of, so cos hx, this is equal to sin hx. So d by dx of sin hx is equal to cos hx. Here, so x is belongs to R. So these are the hyperbolic functions. So what is the d by dx of cos hx? That is sin hx, and d by dx of sin hx is equal to cos hx. This means, so integrating sin hx, what will you get? Cos hx. Integrating cos hx, we get sin hx. So therefore, what you can write? So integrating sin hx, what will you get? Cos hx. Okay. So integral of sin hx dx, this is equal to cos hx plus constant. And integrating cos hx, what will get? Sin hx. So integral of, so cos hx dx is equal to sine hx plus constant. Here x is belongs to R. So what is the formula of integral of sine hx? That is cos hx plus c, and integral of cos hx dx is what? Sine hx plus c. Here x is belongs to R. Okay, and integral of secant h square x dx, this is equal to, so tan hx plus c. Here also x is belongs to R. So what is the formula of integral of secant h square x dx? That is tan hx plus constant. Okay, now so integral of, so cosecant h square x dx, this is equal to minus, so cot hx plus constant. Here x is belongs to R and x is also not equal to 0. We can write R minus equal to 0. So what is the formula of integral of cosecant h square x? That is minus, so cot hx plus c. So integral of secant hx tan hx dx. Okay, integral of secant hx tan hx dx, that is equal to what? Minus secant hx plus c. So integral of secant hx tan hx dx is equal to minus secant hx plus c. So here x is belongs to R. Okay, so integral of cosecant hx, so cot hx dx, this is equal to minus, so cosecant hx plus c. So here x is belongs to R and x should not equal to 0. So what is the formula of integral of cosecant hx cot hx? So minus cosecant hx plus c. Here x is belongs to R, but x not equal to 0. And so dy by dx of sine h inverse of x, this is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square, or you can write x square plus 1, 1 by root of x square plus 1 for all x is belongs to R. Now, so what is the formula of dy by dx of sine h inverse of x? 1 by root of x square plus 1. So integrating this function 1 by root of x square plus 1, we get sine h inverse of x. So what is the formula of integral of 1 by root of x square plus 1 dx? Sine h inverse of x plus constant. Okay, so integral of 1 by root of x square plus 1, or you can write 1 plus x square also. So this is equal to sine h inverse of x plus constant here. So x is belongs to R. Integral of, so 1 by root of, so x square minus 1 dx, this is equal to cos h inverse of x plus c. Okay, so here x is belongs to 1 comma infinity. So this is equal to minus cos h inverse of minus x plus c. So x is belongs to So minus infinity, comma, minus 1 open. At the same time, we can combine these two results also. Okay, so combining these two results, so we get log of x plus root of x square minus 1 to bc. So for all x belongs to r minus 1 close interval. Okay, so x is belong to 1 comma infinity, you can write cos h inverse of x plus c. So minus cos h inverse of minus x plus c, x is belongs to, so minus infinity minus 1. Combining these two results, we can write that is a log of x plus root of x square minus 1 to the base c plus constant. Okay, so cos h inverse of x is expressed in terms of a log function. Similarly, here also, so sin h inverse of x also, it is expressible as terms of log function, that is log of, so x plus root of x square plus 1 to base e plus constant. What is the formula of integral of dx by root of x square plus 1 dx? Sin h inverse of x plus c, or we can write log of x plus root of x square plus 1 to base e plus c. Integral of 1 by root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to, comparing these two results, so log of modulus of x plus root of x square minus 1 to base e plus constant for all x is belongs to r minus 1 closed interval. If so f of x comma g of x are so integrable functions, if they are integrable functions, then integral of so f of x plus or minus g of x dx. So this is equal to integral of f of x dx plus or minus integral of g of x dx plus constant. Okay, so what is the formula of integral of f of x plus g of x dx? We can write integral f of x dx plus integral of g of x dx. If we have integral of f of x minus g of x dx, what you can write? Integral of f of x dx minus integral of g of x dx plus constant. So integral of k into f of x dx, this is equal to k into integral of so f of x dx plus constant. Here, so k is constant. Okay, so dear students, we have to learn all these formulae. So in next classes, so using this fundamental formulae, I am going to solve the problems. Okay. Okay, thank you.